Test, test, 1, 2, 3. Test, test, 1, 2, 3. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing Sunday. Thanksgiving weekend, right? I guess it's a pre-Thanksgiving weekend. We're going to be giving away some stuff today, a mouse pad, some flags, and literally all you have to do is be subscribed, and I guess drop a thumbs up on this video as well. So I really hope that you guys enjoy today's video, and if you guys do, please consider, if it doesn't bother you too much, dropping a thumbs up and of course subscribing. So I'm going to say what's up to a couple of people that are tuning on in right now. There's going to be some background noise. I just had a baby shower right now for the baby that we're expecting in January, so very excited for that. So I appreciate your guys' patience. I'm here visiting in California. I normally go live in Arizona, so there is the difference in my daylight savings. So what's going on, Alexander? What's going on, Ambrose? What's going on, Kunal? What's up? What's up? What's going on, Saul? Roland, Shan, Alexander? What's going on, 9M Bob? John C. We got Ingrid, what's going on? Tango, Sierra, what's up, what's up? We got Hannah McCormick, how you doing? Kareem, how you doing, my guy? William, Jimmy A, Ayo, Jave, what's up, what's up? So we're expecting a girl, William. Yeah, so pretty excited about that. I appreciate that. What's going on, Ricky Harris, Mitch, London? I appreciate you guys taking time out of your guys' Sunday and joining us. So we're going to be giving away a mouse pad in just 5 minutes. So let's look at the time. Let's actually give away a mouse pad at 6:30. How about we do that? So right now it is 6:23. I'm going to be giving away a mouse pad from our Shop TechBuds site. So if you guys haven't checked out any of our mouse pads, feel free to check it out. And these are designed for your trading setup. If you're an investor, if you're just getting started with trading in the stock market, it's just to give your trading setup a little bit more kind of just like flair, right? We got the extra large trading mouse pads. We got the Wall Street Bear. We have a bunch of, we got the Day Trader mouse pad. We got the Wall Street Bull mouse pad, the Make Your Own Luck. So all these mouse pads are available, and we're going to be giving away one for free within this live stream, and then we're going to be giving away a flag, of course. So just make sure you know what mouse pad you want, and all you're going to have to do is literally comment in this live stream to participate. It's that simple. So let's go ahead and jump right to it, though. What stocks are we looking at this upcoming week? So let's go ahead and start off with that. So down for the Charlie Brown. What's up? What's up? What's going on through Tesla split conspiracy theory? We'll have to look into that. Again, we're not here to talk about those reverse stock splits or anything like that. Those or just the stock split in general. That wouldn't make too much sense. So let's go ahead and break these down. I appreciate you, Mitch, for posting this in the ticker call-out format. Ticker symbol CLF. So ticker symbol CLF. Again, friendly reminder, the goal within this live session is not for you to agree with every stock we break down. It's for us to encourage you to be selective and to cherry pick, to empower you to be selective and to cherry pick the stocks that you actually see value in. So I like focusing on stocks that are bullish, I like focusing on stocks that are consistent, and I like focusing on stocks that are good deals. Who likes to overpay for things? Definitely not me, right? So I actually really like this because this almost meets all of my criterias. And this is why I love talking about it with you guys. Ticker symbol CLF. Very bullish, very consistent, and based off of recent patterns, it's a little bit more on the oversold side. So this would definitely meet my criteria. I've already broken this one down. As you can see, my alerts set right here on the Webull platform. So from where we're at to previous highs, that offers nearly a 20% ROI if it actually plays out according to plan. And the beautiful thing about this is that you get to decide where you invest or trade your money, right? So you can either put nothing at all, especially if we don't get confirmation, and or if my alerts begin to get triggered and this thing begins to indicate signs of an uptrend, then it would actually begin to make sense on maybe why we should put some money behind something that is actually showing signs of an overall uptrend. And based off of previous highs, it shows a really attractive potential ROI. So we'll just have to wait out for that. But just like we know, there's two sides to every opportunity, and it's so important for if you're a beginner, to understand that. You always have to take risk management into consideration, and that would be my number one suggestion for all of you guys that are watching that. If anytime you're going to take advantage of a trade, make sure you take into consideration the risk management and how it is you're going to mitigate that risk. So let's go ahead and break down another one. We got ticker symbol PayPal. What's going on, Caleb? So that's PYPL. Let's go ahead and break this one down. So PayPal has been on a very consistent descending pattern. And one of the things that, although I do view PayPal to be a cheap stock, let's be honest, right? Do you want to be someone that buys a stock that is consistently selling off? And the reason I say this is I'm invested in PayPal and I'm okay with having some skin in the game in PayPal because I don't need it to recover right away. But I'm talking to all of our traders out there that are putting a specific amount of money and that are expecting a recovery within a specific period of time. It wouldn't make too much sense to anticipate that recovery anytime soon, right? As of right now, we're making lower lows, lower highs, and PayPal is still selling off. So let's go ahead and set this alert. We're going to set the alert for the break below this. Here we go. Alrighty. So still indicating signs of a descending pattern, no indication of a reversal, but if PayPal does actually begin to indicate signs of a reversal, I mean, it is pretty attractive, right? So if we go on over here from where we're at right now, if it recovers to the moving average, that's 37%. If it recovers to previous highs, that's 61%. So I understand why PayPal is in your watch list. I just would say, and this is from someone that's invested in PayPal, I would say stay patient. There's no reason for you to pull the trigger and to buy it right now when it's not even indicated signs of an overall reversal. I just would hate for you to have your money in something that you can proactively have elsewhere when this thing is not even bullish. Do you get what I mean? So let's go ahead and do one more, and then we're going to do the giveaway. So who's ready for that giveaway? Let's go ahead and break down DKNG. So this is going to be DraftKings. DKNG as of right now. Again, a very similar pattern to PayPal. It was bullish. It started selling off, and from where we're at right now to the moving average, this offers about a 47% ROI. Based off of previous highs, this offers 106%. So 100%, I see why you're paying attention to it, but you need to understand where I'm coming from. There's no indication of a recovery. It's consistently selling off. So with that being said, that's a huge red flag. Be selective, right? It's okay to have this stock in your watch list, but it really wouldn't make too much sense to try to put money into it right now when it's not indicating any signs of growth. So let's go ahead and take a quick pause. It is 6:29, and let's do our giveaway. So how our giveaways work on this YouTube channel, they're super simple. So all you literally have to do is comment in this live chat what mouse pad you want. So again, we're giving away a mouse pad from our Shop TechBuds site. And all if you wanted this one, you can put, I want the lucky number 2 mouse pad. I want the Wall Street Bull mouse pad. I want the Day Trader mouse pad. I want the Hustle to Inspire mouse pad. So that's all you literally have to do. So if you want a mouse pad for free, all you literally have to do right now is comment it. So, and what I do is I screenshot it. So our agreement within this channel is that the person that is most in the middle of the screenshot wins the giveaway. And I'm doing 2 giveaways within this live stream, one right now and one towards the end of the live stream. So as you can see, everyone's participating. Make sure you continue and continue. Oh, also, sorry to pause it. You need to subscribe to the channel and you need to drop a thumbs up. Let's see where we're at right now. So we have only 94 likes. I guess only 94 people want to participate in the giveaway. That's what I'm getting from this. That's what I'm getting from this. Only 94 people. All right, there we go, 112. Do you want 112 people are participating in the giveaway? 174. Let's see, can we hit 200? As long as we hit 200, there it goes, 217. All right, let's get it going. So all you literally have to do is comment. Ready? In 5 seconds, I'm going to pick a giveaway winner. So that's big enough, right? All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So I want the lucky number 2, and that is Ayo. That is right down the middle. So again, let's not be salty. So all I ask you to do is, if you are our giveaway winner, message me on Instagram. Show me proof right now. Record your screen that you're watching this live stream. Record it and send it to me on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's actually linked in the description of this video. If you don't see it, refresh your screen. But don't worry, if you guys didn't win that giveaway, we're doing another giveaway at the end of this live stream. It's that easy. It's literally that easy. Just message me, show me that you're subscribed, show me that you dropped a thumbs up, and then show me that this is your account. So it's Ayo Javi. So Ayo Javi. All right. There we go. So we're doing a second giveaway, but that's going to be towards the end. Also, as I have you guys here, I also wanted to let you guys know we've been, a lot of you guys might have seen that for Shop Tech Buds, we're running a giveaway, or not a giveaway, we're running an early Black Friday sale. And a lot of you guys wanted to ask if our Learn Plan Profit 2.0 is running an early Black Friday sale. And for the next, leading up to Black Friday, we are running an early Black Friday sale, and it's $100 off. So it's 5 people that are going to get access to this every single day. And if you are ready to join our team, if you're ready to watch me trade live every single day, again, it's a lifetime access, it's a one-time payment. It's down, linked in the description, and we have 5 available coupons today for $100 off. So when you're ready, and if you're ready to join our team, it's the only team that I work with and that gets to watch me trade live every single day. That is the first link in the description. If you don't see it, refresh your screen. And again, it is $100 off, and that is our early Black Friday sale. But let's go ahead and go back to breaking the series of different stocks down. So let's go ahead and see what we LCID is going. What is it? It's going to drop on Monday. Yeah, so I saw that LCID had an amazing run just last week, right? So for the past week, Lucid Motors has been on a consistent bull run. Now, one of the things that I wanted to make sure that we covered is that I saw that you just stated that Lucid Motors is going to drop. And although I agree with you that Lucid Motors is overvalued, no question about it. I mean, look at its market cap, right? If you guys take into consideration, its market cap is $90 billion. That's more than Ford's market cap, right? I just think a huge red flag, just hear me out. I've talked to the Learn Plan Profit group about this during our live trading session. I think momentum is great. I think it's great to partake in this activity when it's bullish. But I think you should have a red flag raised when, look at its normal volume. When Lucid Motors isn't doing anything, when it normally trades, look at its normal volume. Nothing, right? Almost nothing. And then all of a sudden, it begins to really pick up, right? And then you begin to see indication of an uptrend. So there we see the volume activity really begin to pick up, and we see higher highs and higher lows. And it's super, super active and super, super bullish. So this is where I would take into consideration that there is some form of manipulation and or some form of hype that isn't going to last forever. So with that being said, I wouldn't be shorting Lucid as of right now, but I would definitely be watching it as, you know, it is very overbought, and it wouldn't be much of a surprise if it actually begins to drop. So taking that into consideration, you know, at these higher levels, all that means is be careful and manage your risk. It doesn't mean that you should be scared. It just means manage your risk, manage your position size, and be selective. Never be afraid to lock in profits on a very overvalued stock. And you can see with its normal volume and how it normally trades and its current volume, that's just a huge red flag, right? I hope that Lucid continues to rise, but just know the volume itself is a huge indicator that you can see that it's experiencing so much more activity now than it normally is. It doesn't mean that Lucid has to drop next week. It's not that Lucid has to drop the next month. All you have to know is that Lucid is experiencing more demand now than it normally is. So take that as you will, right? Let's go ahead and break this one down. So we got Bob with Dell. Let's break it down. D-E-L-L. Let's see who's going to break it down with me. So Dell did a stock split, and it's kind of hard based off of recent patterns to kind of analyze this because of because of this adjustment, right? They simply made their stock cheaper, right? I think they did what is it called? Just a half stock split, making their stock a little bit more affordable. Tesla went through this, if I'm not mistaken, and it's kind of hard to identify on the technical aspect because we normally trade off of patterns and it doesn't always adjust. So based off of its current direction, I would say that Dell is pretty bearish in the sense that it's making lower highs and lower lows. Don't take it into consideration as in that don't think that this is a huge drop or it has to gap back up. If I'm not mistaken, this was a stock split, and this simply means that, you know, if there was 1,000 shares available, now there's 500 shares available, but they just doubled, or I'm sorry, the opposite. There were normally 100 shares, now there's 200 shares, you know, making their shares more available, therefore more affordable. So did I say that correctly? Yeah, it's a cheaper price per share, which means that there's more shares available. I confused the heck out of myself with that one, but it does have the earnings coming up on the 23rd, so I guess people like you and I are going to have to pay attention to see if Dell, I personally don't like holding a stock during earnings, but we'll have to see if Dell begins to indicate signs of an uptrend or a downtrend after it reports earnings. So I think that's very, very exciting. So CAT, what's going on, Daniel? I appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning on in. All right. So we got ticker symbol CAT. We could see that it recently pulled on back. It's testing support levels at the moving average, and we'll see. We'll see if we actually begin to indicate signs of an overall recovery. But as of right now, it's still getting rejected. Do you see that? By the EMA line. At least for myself, I've been caught so many times buying early, and it still is indicating signs of rejection. So, yeah. So, yeah, so I would set an alert here for the break above 202. And then once we actually begin to experience or see indication of a reversal, then we'll follow up with it. So here we go for the break below 200. All right. And then just to make sure that we're aware of previous highs, that's going to be right around the 217. So from where we're at as of right now to previous highs, that's about 8%. So you can see that there's not crazy margin on CAT as of right now, but I definitely see why you're paying attention to it because it was making higher highs and higher lows. So as soon as we begin to indicate signs of an uptrend, I think that would be a big indicator on when I would like to follow up with this, as it would be more in our favor, more inclined for us to put money behind something that's actually indicating signs of growth. So let's go ahead and break down 5 more stocks, and then we'll do another giveaway. How does that sound? 5 more, and we'll do another giveaway. So we got Roku and Disney. Let's go ahead and break that down. Again, if you want me to break down your stock, make sure you comment it in the live chat. So that's not it. So we got Roku. Roku, to my understanding, is very bearish as of right now. So Roku is making lower lows and lower highs. It's not indicating any signs of growth as of right now. I was paying a lot of attention to Roku because of how cheap it was at the moving average, and ever since then, it's still been making lower lows and lower highs. I just would hate for you to buy Roku right now and it continue to sell off. That is my biggest suggestion for you. Do yourself a favor, and it's not always about buying the dip, because how many of you guys have bought in the dip on a stock and it continues to dip? It's one of the worst feelings. But if we can keep things simple, it doesn't mean that we can't add these to our watch list and that we can't set effective alerts. So as of right now, I can set an alert for the break above 250. If it begins to indicate signs of an uptrend, then we can follow up with it and then see if we break above the moving average. So the next one, we broke down Roku, and then what was the other one that we're going to break down? What was it? I forgot. Got a brain fart. FCEL. FCEL. Here we go. So on the let's look at this on the day chart. So, okay, a lot of consolidation up here. It looks like it recently experienced a lot of recent volume. 4-hour time frame. Higher highs, higher lows. Just looks a little bit more on the overbought side. This is one of the main reasons that I like looking a little bit further back to see if something's overbought or oversold. And we can see already that the MACD is already descending here. The RSI is already pulling back. So we'll have to see if we actually continue to indicate signs of an overall reversal. We'll set an alert for the break above $10 and the break above 1163 as that was previous highs, if it begins to trigger those alerts, then great, right? This thing is continuing to indicate signs of an uptrend. But if we begin to get rejected by the EMA line and then we break below the moving average, then that would be a huge red flag on why to potentially, stray away from being invested in something that is showing signs of lower lows and lower highs. So here we go. Ticker symbol MARA. All right. All right, appreciate you posting that in the ticker call-out format. So this one's quite interesting. I'm sure a lot of you guys would agree with this one. So this one is pretty bullish. Looking at this on the day chart, very bullish. You can see this on the 4-hour time frame, a pretty recent pullback, a lot of consolidation around that moving average, and we're testing and pending a reversal, right? If I were to ask you what stage of reversal is this in, the rejection, consolidation, or confirmation, I would say it's in between stage 2 and stage 3, right? Consolidation and confirmation. And from where we're at right now, if we were to make a recovery to previous highs, that's a 52% potential for a reversal. So I'm going to keep this super simple. I like this. I view it to be an oversold stock. I'm going to add it to my personal oversold watch list and also set an alert. So let's go ahead and follow up with it. But just like we know, there's two sides to every opportunity. So I'm going to make sure that I set my alert for the break below that specific ticker symbol as well. So ticker call-out format to make it easier for us to break down. Yes, please. Thank you, Justin. So CSCO. What's going on, John? CSCO. So we got Cisco Systems. We can see this on the day chart. Very bullish, very consistent. Recent pullback, if I'm not mistaken, due to earnings. Testing its support level at $53. And if we see how much it offers for a potential recovery based off previous highs, 12 to 13%. Nothing crazy, but like we all know, sometimes some people like very bullish and very aggressive moving stocks, and sometimes other people like very consistent and, at the end of the day, that's all really Cisco is, a very consistent and bullish stock that isn't anything crazy, right? And that's fine, right? If you would rather be someone that focuses on a quality company that offers a quality direction and a quality pattern, then Cisco might be a little bit more up your alley, especially if you're just getting started. This one's a slower moving stock, so it's something that you can take into consideration. But one thing that I would need this thing to begin to do is to trade above that 54.50 price point. So let's go ahead and set that alert. But like we know, there's two sides to every opportunity. So let's set the alert for the break below $50 a share. And if we break below that, then again, we can remind ourselves on why we're not taking a position. So TQQQ, I like that. So what's going on, Tyler? TQQQ, there's going to be two more stocks that we break down after this, if I'm not mistaken, and that's going to get us to our 10 stocks. But a lot of people have been asking questions about the NASDAQ market. TQQQ is a NASDAQ ETF. It goes up when the NASDAQ market goes up. And look at this, right? Did you guys know? I don't know if you guys knew this. If you guys look at TQQQ just from last year, 1 year ago, from where we're at now to last year, that's 178%. Look at this. 178% growth on one ETF. It is a triple leveraged ETF. It does decay over time, but let's be honest, that's pretty baller, right? TQQQ as of right now, super bullish, super consistent, but very overbought. It's not a cheap ETF, and it's, in my opinion, due for a pullback. That doesn't mean that it needs to pull back. That doesn't mean to short the ETF or to go into SQQQ, but it simply means it's time to be prepared. And I'm sure a lot of you guys would agree with me, right? So let's go ahead and I love trading TQQQ, right? One of the things that I love sharing with our Learn Plan Profit group is sometimes people think that you need to trade every crazy stock in the book, right? That you need to always be, scanning for stocks to know what to trade. That's not the case. TQQQ is a perfect example of a stock or an ETF that you simply could have bought and hold and bought the dips on every time that it dips, and you would have made a killing. You would have made over 200% if you buy the dips every single time and it recovers, right? You continue to add more to your position on the dips. That's what a lot of our traders within Learn Plan Profit like to do, because guess what? It makes sense to buy into a bullish stock over a big period of time. So I just wanted to make sure that we clearly spoke about that. So let's go ahead and break down Robinhood. So Robinhood, in my opinion, isn't the most consistent stock, right? Robinhood has been making lower highs and lower lows. I do agree with you. It is cheap, but it's not bullish. So one of two things. I like to put my money in stocks that are indicating signs of growth. And sometimes, although I do buy the dip, I do it because I see greater upside versus downside. As of right now, Robinhood is such a new stock as it's recently IPO'd that I don't know if it's found its support yet where it can begin to make or indicate signs of a recovery. I do agree it's potentially a stock worth paying attention to when it's below $30 a share, as it used to trade at what, $60 or $90 a share. But this is why I always talk about hype. This is why I always talk about hype and to know when hype is present, because I would hate for you to be someone that bought Robinhood up here and rides it all the way down. Robinhood is cheap, but it doesn't mean that it can't get cheaper. If you like it, if you want to put some money into it, that's fine. But no, you cannot expect it to recover right away. Why? Because it's bearish and it's selling off, and you can't be surprised that it continues to sell off when it's not proven anything other than selling off. So I would definitely set an alert, but I wouldn't be surprised if it continues to sell off. So let's go ahead and do one more. Alrighty. What's up? Can you take? Alrighty. So we got, alrighty, so we got PTON. Are we going to end it with Peloton? So a lot of people have been asking about Peloton. Peloton, as of right now, has not established a support level. I do agree with you. It is a very cheap stock. It is very oversold, but it's not indicating any signs of a reversal. It's kind of just going through a tough patch, I think, like a lot of other stocks like PayPal and Pinterest. There's no indication of a reversal. You can see all of my alerts. They're set here. I'm waiting for Peloton to recover, but there's none of that indication just yet. So my encouragement for you is, if you like it, add it to your watch list, set those alerts, but please stay patient. I just would hate for you to buy in early and then it just continues to sell off. I want to avoid you that heartbreak, right? Especially if you're just getting started, just know that I have your back. So without further ado, let's do a giveaway. You guys want to do the last giveaway? Last giveaway. Yes? Last giveaway? All right. So we're going to end it with this giveaway. It's super simple. All you literally have to do is comment which flag you want from shoptechbuds.com. Again, we have some of the coolest flags for your office and for your trading station. Do you want the hustle to inspire, the Wall Street Bull, the hustle never stops, make your own luck, the day trader, the $1 million flag? We got create your own fortune, bullish, put in the work. Check all of these, right? We got Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, hustle to inspire, Wall Street. Where all my diamond hand peoples, the stay hungry. I like it. So again, whatever flag you want, all you literally have to do is comment it in this live chat. So I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds, and I'll let you guys go back to enjoying your Sunday. So continue to comment it. Continue to comment it. You need to make sure that you dropped a thumbs up on this video and that you're subscribed to the channel. Those are the 2 criteria you need to do, and of course, comment what you want. So whoever is more in the middle wins the flag, and it's that simple. You just have to message me on Instagram. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we got day trader flag, Jose Fabian. Nice. And you know what I always like to say is, some people get upset when they don't win a giveaway. We literally give away something almost in every single video. So if you guys didn't win something today, please, if it doesn't cost you too much, congratulate the 2 winners, because we're going to be giving away another mouse pad or another flag tomorrow, and then the day after another one, and then the day after another one. So don't worry about it. Again, these things are all available on shoptechbuds.com. We are running an early Black Friday special, but just know that we always got your back. We are giving away some of these every single day. So I hope that you can at least congratulate and support are traders that watch our channel. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Friendly reminder, I do trade live every single day. We've been having so many people ask us about our early Black Friday sale for the new Learn Plan Profit 2.0. And if you're ready to join our team, it's the only team that I work with on a closer basis. You get lifetime access to Learn Plan Profit 2.0, which is all new. You get lifetime access to being able to watch me trade live every single day at Market Open, and you get lifetime access to being able to have access to our private Learn Plan Profit Discord chat. And again, it is $100 off, and it's the first link in the description. So if you guys don't see it, refresh it. We're giving away 5 $100 off coupons, and again, that is today only for our early Black Friday sale. So make sure that if you want to join us as soon as tomorrow at Market Open, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, $100 off. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that we earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and friendly reminder, if you're watching this live stream, I need you to know this. If you're watching this live stream and you have questions, in the description, I have 2 things for you. You can either message me on Instagram. I have only one Instagram account. Friendly reminder, all the other ones are fake. I have one Instagram account. It's linked in the description. I have 190,000 followers. Message me. Message me your question. I respond to all of my questions every single day. Sometimes I take 48 hours. I apologize. On top of that, if you guys have and or have ever wanted to get started but don't know how, I have a free PDF for you, and it's a beginner PDF, and that is the second or third link in the description. So again, please take time if you're an absolute beginner. I hope that you know that you can either message me and or download that PDF if you're not right now ready to join our Learn Plan Profit 2.0 team. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope and wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. And on top of that, we have a lot of people that are talking about that they really like our mouse pads. We are running an early Black Friday sale, and it's on the entire store. It's 30% off, so you guys can actually get 30% off any of these mouse pads, and the discount applies automatically at checkout. So other than that, I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope and wish you guys an amazing rest of your Sunday. For our Learn Plan Profit team, I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open, bright and early. Like always, let's make sure that we